Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from me, and today I'm going to be not messing up this intro because that was really bad. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hate saying that, why do I always do this? Oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to be trying out a really strange thing that I should have tried literally about a year ago when I first got it. This is a silicone sponge. Like, it's not a sponge because it's made of silicone, but it's kind of shaped like one. As you can see, it's shaped like one of those beauty egg things. This is the Go-To Makeup silicone sponge, but it's not a sponge. Anyway, this is something that you use to put your foundation on your skin and blend it out. You can blend your concealer with it. So I just thought I'd give it a try today. I've never tried it. I've seen loads of videos on it, but I've never actually tried it for myself. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and you can keep up to date with all my videos. Alright, so let's have a little read of these instructions. This is the Go-To Makeup use steps. First, smear the foundation in the whole face. In the whole face. Okay. Then, from the inside out, with appropriate efforts to push the puff, promote the foundation uniform absorption and laminating. Huh? Third, use the tip of the puff to press the sides of the nose and mouth. Okay, that was pretty good English there. Last, use the residual foundation in the puff, gently press the canthus position such as eyelids. Then the perfect makeup is complete. Okay, that sounds great. So I need to open this. Okay. Ooh, it feels quite nice. I'm not sure which side to use. Like, I'm presuming it's this side that has the little curved edges, not the flat side. It feels awesome. Like, I really like how squidgy it is. Anyway, right, okay, foundation. Just moved in a little closer so you can see my horrendous face. I have primed and moisturised. So, okay, foundation. I hate this foundation. This is a Milani Conceal and Perfect. I've used it before, but it does, as you can see, like, I've got some fake tan on, and this is like a bit darker than I need it to be. So I'm going to give it another chance. It's definitely not going to work with this. Hang on, we might discover something here. I'm looking forward to using this because I hate having to go and wet my beauty blender in the morning. Like, I know that's ridiculous, but maybe this could save me some time. Okay, so I usually use 2.5 pumps for my whole face. So what does it say? Smear the foundation in the whole face. Okay. Ooh, colour though. Okay. Smearing on the face. Ooh, feels quite nice. It's like a little massage. It's very streaky. I don't think I've got enough to do my forehead. I'll just put a little bit more on. The reason why silicone sponges are supposed to be so good is because, like, sponges, I keep saying, silicone beauty applicators, is that the right word? They don't, like, absorb your product up. Oh, that's quite a good match, actually, for my neck. Okay, I have smeared onto entire face and hair. Then from the inside out, with appropriate efforts to push the puff, promote foundation uniform absorption and laminating. Okay. I hope I'm using the right side. Ooh. This does not feel good. Like, I like the sweeping motion, but this feels quite hard. Like, it's really, I don't know, firm. It doesn't have that bounciness to it like the sponge does. Regular sponge. I didn't start from the middle of the face, did I? Oh well. Okay, I'm struggling to get into this crease in my nose, so I'm just gonna, like, smear it. God, I feel like I have a lot of product on my face. But suppose, like, the sponge, beauty sponge, like, it does absorb some product. Oh God, I keep putting hairs into my... Ah, it's on my ear! Ugh. It's going really patchy on my nose. Yeah, so the idea of this is that you don't use as much product, but I felt as if I've had to use more to cover my face. But now I'm here, it's like there's too much because it's not being absorbed by the sponge. Oh, hairline. Oh my god, I can't believe how orange this foundation is. Can you believe I actually wore this on like normal work days when I was trying it out without fake tan? Christ. I'm getting really bored of this now. Oh, I'm bored. Let's look in here. Oh, that looks so cakey. An orange. I'm not used to this. Can you see how much product is left here? It's like dripping. Yes, I know you can see my hair extension tabs. I really don't care. Ah, this is horrible. Right, come on. Positive, positive. Is it just me or does it sound like you're slapping a dildo on your face? So that is pretty much it. I mean, I don't really know what to say. I don't like the texture of my face, but I'm guessing that's probably this foundation because I don't like it. All right, I'm going to try and put some concealer on now. Oh, this is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age. Okay, something I'm noticing is that it's really not sort of blended into my eyebrow hairs because obviously I'm being quite careful going around it. So I'm just sort of having to sweep that across. Okay, it's going to be very hard to blend out this concealer. Okay. The shape's really good. Like, it's got a nice little point on it where you can get right up into your corners of your eye. Oh, what is going on there? Oh, bit of glitter. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's like huge clumps of foundation up here that isn't blended. Oh, this is taking forever. Okay, how does it look? How do you think it looks? I think I look really caked on. I wonder if you can bake with this. I'm gonna guess no, but we're gonna try. All right, got my little powder. Ooh. Oh God, I don't think this is gonna work. Right. Yeah, it does not absorb product. And it gets in your eyelashes. Why do I always look like I've got some kind of coke addiction when I make these videos? Oh no. I'm gonna say this doesn't work for baking. Just a hinge, just a hunch. Okay, let's set the face. Do you know what? When I'm looking up close in the mirror, it doesn't look that bad. Like, honestly, I really thought this would be so patchy. And it's not. It is kind of blended. I mean, there's a lot of product on my face, but I think that's my own fault. I don't know. I think it looks quite good. Apart from my under eyes that I set. But, like, all down here, it looks good. And, like, my forehead looks okay now I've sorted it out. You know what? I'm actually quite impressed with this. It's been so much easier than I thought it would be. It's taken a long time, but I think that's because I'm not used to it. It does take longer to blend than the sponge. But if you're wanting to save yourself, you know, the cost of using more product getting absorbed up into your proper beauty sponge, then this might be quite a good alternative. It did take some working. Like, yeah, it took me quite a long time, but I can forgive that. I've got the day off. I know you can pick these up really cheap in like Primark and stuff. I just want to squeeze it. Oh, feels so good. Yeah, I wouldn't say go spend your money. Like, don't pay more than a couple of quid for one of those because you can just find them anywhere these days. But it's definitely worth a try. Like I say, if you want to, you know, spend a bit more time and save a bit more money, give it a shot. I don't think it's disastrous. Just take your time. Follow the really Clear instructions, yeah? Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you didn't like it, then you can just give me a little thumbs up maybe. That would be cute. Leave me a comment below. Tell me if there's anything you'd like me to try out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!